Want to make money helping Amazon sellers? I'll give you a quick roadmap in today's video. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group. Let's dive in. First, note that we helped an Amazon client named Aculief generate $1 million in their first year on Amazon. After that, I got a call from the client and he was like, this is great, but I got an offer to sell my company for $3 million. He sold his company for over $3 million plus royalties. And that was that. But it was just exciting being a part of that journey. Now, the quick roadmap is to start selling yourself. So if you've never sold on eBay, you've never sold on Amazon, you never sold on Etsy or Walmart, it's time to sell on at least one platform. And the first one obviously is going to be Amazon. Get approved and sell. Imagine you have a broken laptop and you brought it to somebody who's never fixed laptops before, right? When you're selling your services, you need to be like, I sell on Amazon myself. I've done this, and generate your first sale so you understand the platform as a whole, right? There's free training online on YouTube. Jungle Scout, Helium 10 offers amazing training, right? YouTube, you don't have to pay for this kind of stuff, right? And get started, generate a sale, learn yourself. Once you learn, you want to tinker. This is how you're going to become an expert. Tinkering means going through every single section. What's add product section? What's the add products via upload section? What's the add size chart section? Why does that even matter? What's complete your drafts? Go through every single section and understand it, right? That's going to be super important. Go through every setting, go through every Amazon policy possible, and just learn it as a whole. Right? Like if you're building your own rocket ship, you need to know what's the top do, what's the bottom, what do you need to power the rocket ship? How do people drive it? Can it drive itself? Things like that. How do you find a product? How do you launch a product on Amazon? Is there a step-by-step, right? And that's going to lead you into creating your own Amazon agency, right? And before you create your agency, the one thing people are going to ask you is, do you have a website? Do you have a website? Just make a quick, cheap website. Doesn't have to be anything special. Ours is special now, but initially it was not special, right? So just have something that says, I help businesses sell on Amazon. Something super sweet, super short, right? That's going to be instant credibility, because when you're talking to people and you network in person, right? And you're going to say, I help businesses sell on Amazon. Nice to meet you. I'm Josh, right? You're networking. You're trying to help people who have products sell on Amazon, or if they don't have products, convince them to launch their own product to sell on Amazon. Those are the two things I did. And the first thing they're going to do is like, do you have a website? Do you have a website? Or before they make the purchase, do you have a website? If you don't have a website, it's going to instantly hurt your credibility. So all you have to do is look nice, look the part, have proof that you've generated a sale, and then have a website, and you should be able to close clients. Now, my next pro tip is to have a menu. So when you go into a restaurant, what do they have? Chicken, sandwich, burgers, sliders, and it has the price and it has what it is. You want to have a menu. Make it easy for the customer to understand. Hey, here's my menu. Here's my menu. Here's my pricing menu, right? So have a little pricing menu, right? You have Amazon launches if they don't have a product, Amazon management if they do have a product, and then maybe like, helping them sell their company. You can have like the appetizer, the main, the dessert, right? So have kind of those things in there. Have pricings next to it if possible. When you first start, you kind of want to do a little bit of everything, right? So a full Amazon consulting agency, which is the design, the product launch, the ads, doing a little bit of everything will help you gain more clients. You can niche down if you want, but that's not what I did, right? So that's why I'm just giving you my experience. And then just start with pricing that's very low. That's what I recommend. Just get a couple clients in, very, very low pricing. What are you willing to pay, right? You get a couple clients, you learn, you get some referrals, and then you can start increasing your price, right? If you start off with a really high price, it's going to take a longer time to close clients. You want something. And then if you do a really, really good job with them, they'll tell their friend who tells their friend who tells their friend. And it's very easy to gain clients from that. Now, of course, you do need to know how to launch products and how to network. So Networking, it's just practice makes perfect. A lot of people don't like to do it, but you have to do it in the beginning, or you don't have to. It's one of the easiest ways if you go in person and network with people. There's a lot of business networking events, especially in cities. Just do your research on Google, Amazon networking event, e-commerce networking event, or just networking events. They're usually broad networking events, and those ones work as well. Now, once you're done that, and now you have some clients on your belt, you've networked, it's time to get some systems and tools. So you need to expand your business. This is where you create your own systems and tools and training. So you want to have training on how to sell on Amazon. How did you generate your first sale? How did you create your account? Start with that. Go over every single system on Amazon, right? Every section, just so that you understand every section, and then go from there. Also, we utilize Monday.com. It's one of the best tools for managing clients and managing employees and what they're supposed to do. So this is a great thing that you can try. Again, this one, I believe it starts free, right? So I think you can start it for free, unlimited time on free plan. Yep, no credit card needed. So I don't have an affiliate link, but pretty good tool. Then you can start hiring. So you can hire your friends, your family, right, for super cheap. And then you can also hire outsource, like on Upwork.com, Philippines, India, and kind of test from there. The main thing I want to recommend is not hiring for skill. It's for hiring for heart. Do they have a good heart? Are they a good person? Are they there just for money? A lot of people are there just for money, which is fine. But if you can find somebody that has a good heart, right, that's going to be a golden employee where you're like, hey, like the business, it needs more employees. They're going to go out and they're going to find more employees for you and help train them. So you just need to get one good employee. You're going to get tons of bad apples before you get a good apple. I think I had like 15 bad employees. Then I finally found a good employee. So it took a while. All right, it took me a while. Okay, and then you start hiring and doing that fun stuff. Once you start hiring and stuff, then you have to remake yourself and you create like a workflow. How can I have somebody replace myself? And you break down all the tasks you do and you have people slowly take over each section as your clients get bigger, as your fees get higher and things like that. Right. There's also a lot of training. There's this website called acquisition.com. You can just Google acquisition training. It's by Alex Hormuzzi. He's got like free training on how to scale. And I'm telling you right now, he's got a free course. This stuff, it's not regarding Amazon. It's just scaling a business, but it's OG. Like this is an extremely good. I don't think it should be free. Okay. I don't think many people even know about this. But get it. He gives you like a whole scaling roadmap on exactly what to do when you have 10 to 19 employees and how to expand. And he does this video. It's extremely well done, extremely well done. So if you're stuck and you're like, I need to get to 10 employees and I want to get bigger, he literally steps it down. I'm not even at the stage 9 yet, right? We're at stage 7, but we want to get to stage 8 and stage 9. So I need to go through this myself and I've already went through it. But those are my pro tips. And remember, if I can do it, you can do it. And of course, you can specialize if you want and just be an Amazon advertising agency. But I like to start out with doing a little bit of everything, figure out what you're good at, double down on that. You'll be good to go. And that's it for today's video. Want more Amazon videos? Let me know in the comments what to create next. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our most popular services is our full Amazon account management service. This is what will fully manage your inventory, calling Amazon, customer service, advertising, increasing sales, and much, much more. The benefit of this service is so you can spend time working on your business instead of in your business every day, like calling Amazon for hours on end just to fix an issue. We're here to help you save time, money, and increase your sales with ehpconsultinggroup.com. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.